Hi friends, in the previous video we discussed XAMPP installation. I explained like how we can install server and how we can make our computer as a local server. Now in this video we will install WordPress. So we will open wordpress.org and here you can click on get WordPress and WordPress click on get WordPress. wordpress.org/download will open. Priceless and also free, and download WordPress and use it on your site. So we will download WordPress 5.2 and the downloading will start. Like the downloading you can see has been started. So once the downloading will complete, I will resume video from here. So the WordPress has been downloaded in our computer like I have in my desktop. I will extract files in the same like desktop, and it will give me like a folder and where we can see the files. So open this folder. In this folder we have another folder. Open this folder and in this we have these files. So this folder we need. In this folder, this folder. Inside that folder we need. So what we will do, we will open another like my computer, and where we have installed like in C we have installed XAMPP server. So we will open like XAMPP, and htdocs is the main root folder. So you will remember this folder is the main folder. So open this folder and then like WordPress we can copy from here and like paste here, or you can like move from here to there. But in future like this WordPress folder, like we can install more websites, so then we can rename and then we can install. But right now like I just did copy and paste, so you can also do the same thing, like copy and paste WordPress folder from here to the htdocs folder, which is the main root folder of the XAMPP server. Make sure XAMPP control panel, Apache and MySQL both are working properly, both are green, and WordPress folder has been moved to htdocs folder. So now we will open the web page, the browser, and we will type here now localhost slash folder name is WordPress. So you will type localhost slash WordPress. So WordPress setup configuration you can see has been started. So the first thing, like we have to select the language. We can select English United States, click on continue. So welcome to WordPress. Before getting started we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding, like database name and database username, database password, and database host and table prefix. If you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database, but right now we will install a single WordPress in a single database. Why actually the WordPress is asking for this information? Because we are going to use this information to create a wp-config.php file. If you open the WordPress folder in htdocs, which we have moved, you can see there is one file wp-config-sample.php file. But after giving this information, it will create wp-config.php file. Config sample is already there. Like you can see, it is like this config-sample, but it will create config.php file, wp-config.php file. So let's go now. Because we are using XAMPP server, so I told you please keep open this page, and in another in another window, open localhost slash php myadmin. So this is for databases, I told you. So here it's asking about the database name, username, password, database host, and table prefix. So database name, it's showing like WordPress. So you can see we don't have WordPress here. So click on databases. Now if you want to create WordPress, you can create WordPress, like WordPress, the database name. If you want any other like Omer, but I will create, click on create. So here now we will have to type the name of the database like Omer, but I did here, you can see, and it is there. Username, always root. Username of the database in exam server, always root, and the password, make sure it is blank. Database host is localhost obviously, and table prefix we will not change this one. So these both fields we will not change, only the things that we will change these things. Make sure you will use these things. Database name, whatever you will create here, type the name here, then click on submit. Alright Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation, and WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to run the installation. Then click on the button run the installation. Now here, like site title, so site title, like later we can also change this one. Like right now I have typed Omer, but username is admin, or you can select any other. Password, like you can, if you want to type, if you will use a strong password, then your email is here, like for example admin at this one. Make sure you will not check this option, otherwise search engine will not able to index this site. If you will use strong password, then you can click on install WordPress. If you will use like a simple password, like you can see, then you cannot install WordPress. You cannot click on install WordPress button unless you will not check this option, confirm use of weak password. So if you will type like this one, for example, you can see there are small letters, capital letters, and symbols, then it will be strong password. Right now for my computer, because this is in my local host, I will use weak password, but I recommend always use the password with small letters, capital letters, numbers, and symbols. And then click on install WordPress. Make sure you will click only one time, don't click 2 times. So success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Now you can click on login and it will go to the login page. Now remember one thing, like there are 2 URLs, localhost/WordPress, that is main website URL, like the front end of the website. Localhost/WordPress/wp-admin, this is like WordPress dashboard or backend, you can say. So like this is the login page. If you want to start now login page, so you will type localhost/WordPress/wp-admin. So it will open. So we will type here admin, username, and the password, and you can see the dashboard will open. See, the dashboard has been open of the WordPress. From here we can we can make our website, and here this is the main URL, localhost/WordPress. When we typed first localhost/WordPress before the installation, it went to the setup configuration, but now you can see this is our website. This is our website, so main website. This is the backend, like from here we can also edit and make the website. Both URLs are the main URLs, localhost/WordPress/wp-admin and localhost/WordPress. So the WordPress, like we have installed successfully in our computer using the exam server. So it's very easy. I downloaded the WordPress from wordpress.org, then I moved to the htdocs folder, that is the folder of the exam main root folder, and then we started localhost slash WordPress, and we like typed the database information which we created in localhost slash php my admin, and then WordPress installed successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video, and in the next video I will explain you that how we can install WordPress if you are using any cPanel. Like if you have purchased a domain and a hosting, then how we can install the WordPress. This is the process, like localhost process. Like for instance, if you don't have domain and hosting, so you can make a website offline. So this was the offline process. In the next video I will show you that if you have a control panel, then how you can install WordPress directly into your website. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe my channel.